فيقول هاؤم اقرءوا كتابيا فيقول
First open InShot. Input the photo that you want. Now make the size. How much do you want? Input. Quran recitation.
لا تخفى منكم خافية.
Search in Safari or Google Quran.com.
Search for the surah, which you added the audio to, in InShot. Now find the verse which you want. Like, I want 30 verse. Now copy it. Go to InShot, add text, and then paste it.
You need to download this fonts. Search in Safari or Google Arabic fonts, Al Jamhuriya, download it. Download it. Look at how I edit, you do the same.
To much be careful, look how I am editing. Split text according to audio. Do the same where the text was split. Take one character at a time and paste the text. Here I'm putting second split letter on top from the first letter and then topping the third letter from the second letter. See how I am editing more. Look carefully at the letters we are lengthening here. This is the same place where the sound is prolonged and it stops at that place. Switch the keyboard from English to Arabic and find this space. Click on the space bar until you want to lengthen the letter. Add this animation. Look, the letters are long, and if you want to make the letter animation longer, you have to make the text longer. This text length, if we want to add another color on this length letter, I will show it in another video, inshallah.
Go to Node App, click on New, add the video. Add glow. Reduce everything. Like me, Add block glitch. Make it like me. Add heat wave. Make it like me. Add snow. Make it like me.
فأما من أوتي كتابه بيمينه فيقول.
Now, upload your video. Don't forget to like or subscribe my YouTube channel.